What's up, you guys? I'm back with another vlog. If you know, you know, man. Y'all do know I took the motor apart yesterday, man, and it was dirty as a motherfucker. Got them rockers and everything sitting up here, man. It was dirty as a motherfucker, but as you can see, I got this side somewhat clean. I ain't even touched that side, but I got all that glue off there. Look like it. Got all that glue off there. Look like it. You can see the other side. Still a lot of glue on there. So I need this side. So like that side, you feel me? And then we'll be in game time, man. But shit, I ain't even ordered all my parts yet, so I'm really just getting it cleaned, and I'm gonna wrap this blue top around it and just sit it there for a minute until it's time. It won't be long though. Give me about I say a week. You feel me? For my parts to get here. Only thing I'm missing right now is a cam. V gotta send my valves back down here because he took them in the truck. And shit, I gotta put the springs on the heads, and that's it, man. These look, I don't know, I might change them too, the lifters. I might change the lifter too, man. That cam coming out of there though, so hey, why not do everything at once? Ain't no need to put it in out and snatching it out and putting it in, snatching it back out and putting it back in. I ain't doing all that, so I'm gonna go ahead and go one time, you feel me? Throw a little cam up in here. I will be adding a booster here. And shit, we gonna go from there, you know what I'm saying? Depending on how it play out, shit. If it take too long, I might send it on to the shop. And do my thing, you feel me? But, hey man, I'm kinda sick, under the weather, if you wanna know. I am that, so this will be a slow process. That's why I really haven't even been vlogging for real. I've been doing a lot of work not vlogging because I know y'all be tired of hearing me sniff. So, hey man, if I had some help, I'll get that from here to over there, where it'll be a little shade at. But right now we just working right here, getting it on, man. So y'all stay tuned, dog. This shit going down. Really just cleaning off the picture, man. Cleaning all that old gunk up out of there. There.
Right over tripping. Stupid.
Well, you guys, shit. Y'all see what I done did, man. That bitch was looking rough earlier. I got that motherfucker looking like it's not brand new, but you know, I got it looking decent enough to where I ain't all the gunk ain't in there and shit. Y'all know we got all this shit up here. We going new these, we need new that. My camera a little dirty too. I think my phone finna fuck up. We going new all that shit, man. I might go new rocker on too, but y'all know the push runs come with the cam anyway, so I might go new rocker shit. These lifters, I don't know, drop down in the comments below, let me know shit. The lifters something good? I don't really know. Y'all know this my first time doing this shit, so I'm just trying to see, but yeah, I got good up in them pistons and cleaned that hoe, hit that bitch with that wire brush and hit that bitch with that drill brush and hit that bitch with that scraper. I feel like I did good enough. Nothing but a little 5'3", man. Something slight. So shit, that was just a quick video for the day. I told you I was kind of feeling under the weather, so I ain't gonna do too much, man. This bitch finna go back up under the top tomorrow, or shit, maybe even later on if I feel something better. I did to me some medicine. I'm gonna come out this hole and try to pressure wash it. Go and get it pressure washed. And shit. Y'all just know, man. Drop down in the comments below. Let me know what I need to cover up. You know what I'm saying? I think I cover up this part. Do I need to cover up the lifters? Oh yeah, cause it's holes right there. But shit, I don't know. The cam coming out. We going new timing chain belt. We gotta get a new oil pump. Mostly everything ain't gonna be new on this hoe, man. Junkyard motor rebuilt. You feel me? I touched up here a little bit. I ain't touched up a lot. I'm really gonna do a lot of more work when shit I got everything covered up. So that was just to get that clean, because I actually watched the video on how to clean it, and I got it pretty decent. A lot of this shit wouldn't come off, and I wasn't gonna try to force it. So I don't think this glue. I don't think this glue, man. I hope it ain't glue, but if it is, shit, it's alright. But I got all the excess glue off of this motherfucker. Everything else just need to be, really need to be sent to a machine shop if I want this whole clean. But it's just clean enough to where the motor will run alright, you know what I'm saying? So, hey, cam on the way, lifters on the way. Shit, I might fuck around, change the pistons and the rings and the crankshaft. I don't know, I'm just trying to do what I do. Y'all know what I got going on, man. So like, comment, subscribe. I had to jump and show y'all that real quick. It's done. That's all I'm gonna do today until the parts get here. Cause shit, I still need my head gasket set. So hey, just stay tuned, man.